Good evening, everyone. How are you all doing? Today is Tuesday. Tuesday is a day of transformation stories. And today we have a wonderful story, and it is for the first time that we are inviting a couple for this live show. Today we are going to have a couple who's going to share how their relationship really transformed into a relationship which all of us as males or females want to have when they think about marriage, when they think about a life partner. They want to have this kind of relationship, but it's not easy to make it happen. So what did they do? How did they reach there? That is all what we are going to learn today. Hi Vidya, hi Anuja, hi Varun, hi Arshi. Great to have all of you here on the live. You can listen to all the people who are, the couple who's going to join us live, and do let them know how you're feeling about it. So, dear friends, before I invite the couple, I wanted to know the last episode that we did on transformation series. How did it go for you? What were your learnings? How did you feel? Did you take back anything from the transformation episode? What did you want to apply from the 3 stories that you heard? Was there anything which made you feel great? Something which made you realize what is going wrong with your life? Some kind of change that happened in your life because you heard to those steps? So the last episode of Transformation series, how did it help you? Hi Shafali, hi Bobby, great to have you here. So that is what I want to know. And of course my husband, hi sweetheart, he's really there, all excited to listen to me. It's amazing to have someone watching over you. He does that job. So thank you for being here. So I want to know, before I invite the couple, that amazing couple who's gone through such a huge transformation in their relationship, and how did it all happen? I'm going to get to that sometime later, but before that I want all of you to tell me, how did the last transformation episode number 12, which covered 3 live stories, how did it help you? What did you remember from that day till today? Is there anything that you applied in your life? I would like to know from all of you. So I'm waiting for your comments as usual. I love to see people interacting with me. Otherwise it becomes I'm talking to a wall, which is what I don't want. I want all of you to interact with me, so I feel that yes, it is getting conveyed in the right way. So what did you learn from the last transformation series, the episode number 12? Which were the stories? Do you remember the people who had shared those stories, the learnings that we learned from 3 different people? Who were these people whom we really spoke about? Whose life did we share that day? Who are these people? Can you let me know, dear friends? And are you able to hear me clearly? If you can convey that also, so I know that we are all set, ready to go live. Yes, dear friends. How is it going? How was the last transformation episode? What did you really learn? How did it go with all of you? Waiting for your comments. And by the time you send me all what you're writing, I have to tell you, yes, Vidya, thank you very much. My voice is loud and clear. I'm happy to know that. So we would invite this lovely couple, a couple who's doing very well in their personal life. They're helping each other in their professional life. They are happy with each other. Let's know, how did this happen? So here I am. Give a huge round of applause sitting there and right here. Yes, Arshi, absolutely right. We were studying Akshay, Dipti, and Vidya. Good evening, sir. Good evening, ma'am. How are
Good
you
evening, madam.
doing?
Good evening.
Good
Good
evening.
evening.
Absolutely an honor for me to invite you on the stage. I love to have you and I love to interact with you. So, sir, ma'am, thank you very much for joining us today. And
Thank you.
ma'am is in all red color, so she's reflecting the color of love today. That's awesome. So, sir,
Ma'am, how about my color?
your color is typical male blue color. I'm with you, so we are in the same color. Hi, Dipti. Hi, Janvi. So, let's start by knowing these 2 people and their background. I really know them, but for all the audience who are here with us today, I would like to ask you, sir, which is the family background that you come from? Which place? How is the culture there?
Okay. Ma'am, am I sounding clear?
Absolutely clear.
Okay, your voice is a bit low.
Okay?
Okay, yeah. If you come in front, yeah, it is better.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah. So you wanted to know about Ketki.
No, I want to start from you. Hi, Kishore. Yes, sir.
Ma'am, actually, honestly, thank you very much, first of all, for inviting us. And we
Yeah.
had a discussion yesterday. So honestly, me and Ketki were not aware what is to be said. Now you know us more than us. We know
Yes.
each other. So you made
Yep.
it sure that we know each other in much better way.
Yeah.
So basically, my background for others
Yeah.
who don't know us, my
Yeah.
background is I belong to Kolhapur.
Okay.
I'm somebody who belongs to a family where father is always somebody who takes decisions,
Yes.
and that is what my like many of us. My father is my hero. So he always made sure that our family is all safe. Our family, he leads our family. He always believed in something. He's an athlete, so he's a national athlete. He's a national gold winner. So he always led his example, saying that पैसा तो ऐसे लोग कमाते हैं जो businessman है, and we are supposed to make money, but at the same time we are supposed to make our name also. So that was a big influence on me. And at home,
Right.
his interaction with my mother in front of us was very less. He had his own room, and that
Right.
is what I saw him as a child also and today also. So he is absolutely okay in his own private life. I never saw my father and mother fighting with each other.
Hmm.
Right? So him being a big influence on me, I thought that my wife will be like my mom.
Though the
And
age
then
gap is how many years?
we are married.
I said age gap between your wife and your mom is of how many years?
My wife and my mom is it must be near about 25 years.
Yes. So we are expecting that after 25 years, that huge gap, my wife is going to behave the same as was my mom.
Yes.
That is, yes, that is one of the basic things. I think not only you, Dhaval sir, most of the men, when they're looking for a girlfriend, they're really wanting someone they can enjoy their time with. But then when they're looking for a wife, they always will want to have someone who's like their mother. So,
True.
girls out there who are wanting to get married, this is coming from a man strong who has a legacy which he has carried forward. His father really created a legacy, and
Right.
from there he got this idea. So, father who's living his private life, he's ensured he's provided for the family. The mother is going to play a role at home, he's going to play a role outside, and that is how life is going to be. Hi,
Right.
JJ. Hi, Amrita. Hi, Rajendra. Great to have you here. So, that's the background that Dhaval sir comes from. Ketki ma'am, what about you? Which city do you belong to, and what's the culture in your family?
Ma'am, I'm from Pune. So basically, typical Puneri Brahman
Puneri
Mulgi.
Brahmin.
And me
So,
Kolhapuri Maratha.
Oh God, what Maratha?
so when I'm talking ki I'm a typical Puneri Brahmin Mulgi, it's a typical Puneri culture in my house. My dad, he's a businessman, and my mom was working with a government office. She was working with the BSNL. So it's a like a regular middle class family where I've always seen that my mom is always there with my father because he is into business. So because of my mom's job, there was like no issue with the money factor or any tensions at home because even they have a very good relationship like communication, I would say they have a very good communication with each other. So I have seen them like from my childhood I have seen the same couple. So actually I was expecting the same from my
Same
husband,
here.
but I've got
Absolutely right.
typical Maratha Kolhapuri mulga. which was directly 36, 360-degree opposite.
Different. Absolutely right. Hi, Akash. So, for friends who really don't know these two cultures and the kind of background that Sir belongs, so Sir's family, uh, the father really won medal at the national level. He wanted to do something, go and reach out to people in the country. So he's coming from that kind of background. And ma'am comes from Puneri Brahmin, which is a very close knit family. They are there for each other, but they don't know what's happening behind the doors. So they are that kind of close knit family. So she comes from a background where the father is there for everything, husband and wife are really discussing, conversing with each other, and they're raising the daughters together in a very open environment where they can do what they want. Now imagine two people from such different cultures come together and get married. What's going to happen? So, how was it like when the two of you married? In fact, let me also, before you go to marriage, let us all know what is your professional background. So, it'll help us understand both of you better.
Yeah. Uh, by profession, actually, I belong to a family of restaurants, so I have done hotel management.
Yes.
And it was the sports is in our family only. My brother, my younger brother, my dad, my uncles, everybody is into sports, but money making business is restaurants. So I was
Okay.
somebody who was a lucky guy who got into fitness as a profession. So I'm
Hmm.
the only guy from my family who's making money through fitness, right?
Okay.
So for that reason only in Kolhapur there was no opportunity for fitness. So I came to Pune again. I studied in Pune. Hotel management I did it in Pune. But
Yeah.
again I came back to Pune to do a certification in fitness.
Yeah.
And then I started my career into fitness. So whatever I have, my gym, this and that, right? This is not my family business. So coming to Pune, getting into gym, getting into management was something which was my own decision. It was
Yeah.
like that. Yeah.
Yeah.
So
Ma'am, which industry do you belong to? What's your professional life?
Ma'am, I have done my post graduation from SNDT. So, from born and brought up, I am from Pune only. So then, immediately once I finished with my post graduation, immediately first job I got in K11. So where I actually met the world. We used to work together in that K11 company. He used to be my boss. Still, he is my boss.
was a
So,
namesake.
post graduation, ma'am, you did in what subject?
Sorry.
Sorry.
Your post graduation was in which subject?
Ma'am, I'm a nutritionist. I have done my
Yes.
graduation in clinical nutrition and post graduation in sports nutrition.
Yes. So these
And
two
I'm an
people,
exercise professional. Hani.
yes, yeah. So these two people belong to the same industry, coming from two different viewpoints, which are going to help a person become healthy and fit. They meet each other in a professional environment where she's reporting to the person who's going to be a future husband. So imagine the kind of complexity in the relationship. She's already looking up to him. She's following him, whatever he's saying. And sir, how was she when you were not married, when she was working not directly under you, but in terms of seniority and ranking, you were doing a much better job and she had just started. So how did it go that time? How was the equation? How did you find her as a person? Hi, Priyanka.
Ma'am, as an employee and as a teammate, she was very good. I mean, she was somebody who used to do everything in the best possible way.
Yeah.
And then again, I knew about her background also. So I came across somebody who's a very, very good teammate. And then I used to call her madam, she used to call me sir. So we had a professional relation all throughout, 3 years, I guess. Huh?
Yes.
So 3 years we were together, and then it was purely professional relationship. You know, but she used
Okay.
to come on duty in time. She used to follow everything which was being told to her. I wasn't directly her boss as such. So
Yeah.
we were a team, and then
Yeah.
position-wise, I was a boss. She had a different department with her.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right. So, guys and girls, how many of you would love to have a companion who belongs to the same industry? You're coming from the same industry, so there's an understanding of what would be the ethos at the work front, what is going to be the culture, what would be the work timings, how is going to be the connection with the audience. How many of you would really want to have a wife from the same professional industry? I want answers from you till then we go to Ketki, ma'am. Ma'am, how was Sir as a boss or as a teammate or as a team player? How did you find him?
Sorry.
As a boss, how was it?
Okay. Actually, I think As a boss, he was very sincere. I would not say he was strict, but he was very, still he is very particular about the work. Whatever task he may design for any employee, that has to get complete. If anyone has any issue, everyone can go free, talk to him about the issues and everything, and he makes sure everything will get solved. So I would say he is a very he is very responsible, then very particular about his work. So
Yeah.
that's it.
Yes, I can vouch for this because Dhaval sir, we have known him for quite a long time now. We have been announcing this also. He really takes care of our health. Even today, Dheeraj had a problem, so he's the first go-to person when we have any challenges during our exercises.
Ma'am, I'm so sorry. Your voice is breaking.
Okay, can you hear me now?
Yeah, it is much better. Much better.
Yeah. So Dhaval sir is the first go-to guy for us if we have any challenge in terms of our body, any muscle pain or anything, and he gives us a solution. He's a very dedicated person. He really loves what he does. He's absolutely passionate about what he does. So all of us know someone who really loves his work, is passionate, how committed and dedicated that person would be. He would not think of anything beyond that because that is what he wants to do 24 hours a day. So here is a lady who belongs to a very family culture and a person who actually believes in contribution and dedication to his profession. So when and how did this situation reach where you thought of getting married to each other? Hi,
Uh,
Pranav.
Ma'am,
Hi, sir.
we got married when I was 31.
Okay.
So
And
I wanted to get married, and
okay.
then I saw this girl who was fit in all the possible criteria, which accordingly on paper was correct for me. And then I said, we didn't have some rosy affair, or we didn't go around for 1 year or 2 years. It wasn't like that. I just
Yeah.
proposed her, "Hey, I would like to get married to you." And then there was a friend of mine who communicated her, okay, Dhaval is interested to get married to you. So she said, okay. Then we had a word. Then she asked me to come to her place. I went to her place. I directly told her parents, I want to get married to your girl. They said, okay. And then after that, I didn't tell my parents that I'm getting married. So for many days I didn't tell my parents that, and at her place it was all ready, everybody was okay and all. But then I took my time to tell my parents. It was like that.
Okay. So during the time till the, I mean, it was decided that you're getting married to her and your marriage. How much was the time gap?
1 year.
1 year.
1 year. So in this
1 year.
1 year, did you take any efforts to know each other
Not actually,
in
ma'am,
terms of partners?
because he immediately shifted to Sangli.
I shifted to my hometown.
He proposed me for marriage. Everything was okay, and then
Okay,
he
you just
shifted
wait. I think
to.
a little network issue.
हाँ जी.
Ma'am, we
There is some
missed a bit
disturbance.
because your network was. Yes. So can you repeat what you said?
Yeah.
Actually, he proposed me for the marriage. Everything was got clear, and then he immediately shifted to Sangli. So there was not actually
We didn't
the
get time.
time only, and he was 100% busy with the gym setup because our first gym is in Sangli. So he was totally busy with the work, and I was in tension.
She used to call me. She used to tell me her parents are behind her. And then I said, like, my first project has to happen, so I'm very busy and all. Ma'am, basically, I'll tell you what was my this thing.
Yeah.
I'm very sure that I'm going to marry to this girl,
Yes.
right? I was 100% sure. I was sure that I will convince my parents. So
Yes.
it was very clear. And after marriage, what I'm supposed to do is, my father, being my role model, what he did was he was the strongest guy. He gave all the possible security. Right? I never saw any communication between my mother and my father. Right? In front of us, they must be having communication, right,
Yes.
behind the doors, but
Yeah.
never in front of us. So
Yeah.
my wife is supposed to be the safest person in the world when I am around, right? And I was very sure that I am able to give it to her. And then about understanding each other and all that will happen over a period of time. So already already I know her, so that will happen, right? It was like that. So it was
So
very
girls
casual
who are
approach.
yes, girls who are here live listening to this is how a man thinks. The minute the relationship is secure, done, that yeah, she's the girl, I'm getting married now, let me go back to my professional life and create something there. And the girl is really wondering what's happening. She wants connection, she wants emotions. The man sees, I've already conveyed, I'm going to get married to you, where is the woman? So this is what happens. It's a difference between a man and a woman. It's not about who's right or who's wrong. It is coming from two different mindsets altogether. The masculine energy thinks in a different way, and the feminine energy thinks in a very different way. So then you finally got married, man. How was it in the initial years?
Sorry.
How was your marriage? First initial years. Newly married girl went to
First
Kolhapur.
initial
How did you
year
take it?
was actually
4 5 years.
for 5 years.
We were in Sangli only.
We were in Sangli
We were in
only.
Sangli for first few years, and then, madam, actually, see, I think after meeting you, I started understanding. She also must have started understanding that there needs to somebody who guides you about communication, right? Because what used to happen was, accordingly me, I was right. According to her, she was right. All right, and there are small silly things which are there in our minds, right, which create issues. So वो टाइम पे पता नहीं चलता है कि बाबा अरे ये इतनी सी छोटी सी चीज थी, एंड देन यू डोंट टॉक टू ईच अदर फॉर 2 3 days, एंड देन अगेन यू स्टार्ट टॉकिंग टू ईच अदर, एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू मी इट इज रिजॉल्व, बट आई डोंट नो वेदर इट इज देयर इनसाइड इन हर और नॉट, right? Same thing happens with her also. So I have some expectations, she had some on her expectations. We don't. Yeah.
Uh, so, uh,
So, 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 ma'am, I think there is a need to develop communication, has to be communicated to us, all right? Because we don't know that there is communication, there is this communication, this, we don't know that, all right? So life is going on 4 5 years. Now when I look at, now we are married for what, 11 years, all right? 12 years. So now when I think about my first initial 5 years, I don't know what we were doing, what we were doing,
so
right?
what
And
what stopped you? What stopped you from communicating to him your feelings? Why was it difficult to talk to Dhaval sir?
Uh,
what's wrong?
uh,
I'll tell you. I can answer. All right, and then she'll continue, I guess, because she has got many things to say.
Yeah.
Now, see,
Yes.
I'm somebody. I'm somebody who's an outspoken guy, all right, and who used to tell everything. Ki this is something which I feel, all right. She never used to express. That was the issue, all right. And then I used to think, why the hell she doesn't express? All right. And whenever I used to ask her, why don't you express? And then she used to go into her own cocoon. All right. Then she used to communicate it to her sister, her mother, my friend. All right. And then I used to think, Baba, why doesn't she say it to me? Right? She has to communicate it to me. And then the answer used to be, I'm scared. I'm worried. And see, basically, we belong to different cultures. Right? A guy from Kolhapur, born and brought up in Kolhapur, I will obviously, today also I have that rough language. It is somewhat rough language. We are hardcore people. Right? So I
Yes.
am born and brought up over there, and the way I speak is like that only.
Yeah.
Right? So then,
but for
then,
me, it was very
yeah,
new thing, na?
it was a new thing.
Because I'm from Pune, so I've never seen a man who speak with his wife like this way, or who express the feeling in this way. So I used to get scared to speak to him only, and even actually. We used to stay like two of us only we used to say, so there was no one to guide us.
Yes, yes,
Elder one
yes.
was no one was with us who guide us for the particular things, so there was like no communication only between us rather than
Right.
miscommunication. There was no communication.
And we used to never miss it because we never knew there is something called as communication which
So
happens.
anywhere else where there'll be better network, we are missing some communication.
Ma'am, we are in good net. Ma'am, I think we are in good network. Wait, because we are sitting next to the Wi-Fi.
Okay. Okay. So,
Yeah,
dear
yeah.
friends,
Is it okay?
for whatever we missed, yeah, it's okay. So, whatever we missed, I would like to repeat that. So, it was, like she never heard that kind of language in her lifetime. There are two sisters living in this family, which is a very close knit family. Everyone talks in a very soft language. He comes from Kolhapur, two brothers there, father who's a very strong personality. So, men talk differently, they use a different language. Females talk a very different language. She never saw a boy being raised up. He never saw a girl being raised up. He never saw the softer side. She never saw the tougher side. Plus difference in the family culture. Now, the most amazing part is, I know Dhaval sir. I'm a person who's an introvert. Only then we'll be able to continue. And I saw him as a very different person. He was so free. He was communicating. So how is it possible that a man like him, who's so open, who speaks so nicely, and a wife can be scared of him? You know what? What a man presents in an outside environment and how he communicates behind the doors are two different things. Professionally, you behave in a different
Right.
way, but when you're at home, you're your natural self, and that is where the challenge begins. So it really took me some time to first understand her viewpoint on why she's scared. Plus, it's a fitness industry. Dhaval sir, as handsome as he is, surrounded with beautiful women who are all the time wanting to hang around him, I'm sure that would have triggered so much of insecurity. Am I correct, ma'am? Is it right?
Insecurity.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
And of course, you give
Ma'am,
me
after
one
this
more.
call, I'm supposed to.
No,
Sorry.
absolutely not. So, ma'am, I was wanting to know one more saying that your family had given, which made a belief system around you. What did they talk about men in Kolhapur?
कोल्हापूरची मुलं 2 लग्न करतात. So,
So, girls and
so मला
guys,
लग्नाच्या वेळेसच ते
this
कळालं
is a
होतं की
belief
कोल्हापूरची
system
मुलं 2 लग्न
about
करतात.
men in
So,
Kolhapur that they go all out, and if they are not comfortable, they also go out and have two marriages. Now, imagine it is a gender,
Ma'am,
whatever belief
ma'am,
system they have, how strongly does it
ma'am,
affect you? So, this is something which we
ma'am.
need to understand here, how our belief systems affect our. Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Ma'am, one more thing. Yeah.
Yes, you were saying something.
There is a small correction. There is a small correction. It is said that in Kolhapur, even if he is comfortable with first wife, he gets married to other other girl. So both three of them are
So
comfortable with each.
imagine the kind of.
So that is what she was being
Oh
told.
God,
This is
imagine
not
with
the
this
fact, but
kind
she
of
was being told. Like,
thought process. Right. So imagine thought process, and he has choices available because he's always surrounded by so many females. What would be happening with her? So yes, sir. So how did this transition happen? Where did the change start taking place? Hi, Amon.
yeah. So
What was the thing
basically,
that changed
when we
this
came to
whole
Pune,
relationship between the two of you?
yeah. So basically, after 5 years after our marriage, we came down to Pune to earn. We wanted to start our own business, this and that. And then
Yeah.
we started our own gym. So Ketki wanted to be with me in Pune. She was in Kolhapur for first few months, 5 to 6 months. I was there in Pune, and then I was gathering funds. There were a lot of things which were happening in my life. So my thing was, let me set up the gym first. Am I audible, ma'am? Yeah. So my thing was, let me set up the gym first because I never took any money from my family. So let me set up the gym first. पूरा setup करते हैं. Everything
Okay.
should be normal, and then let me get her to Pune. Right? Because gym business is about lot of investment. I never had any investment, so I had to raise it from the market. Many things were happening. So I never
Yeah.
wanted that thing to be forwarded. There are many pressures, there are many tensions. So I wanted her to come to Pune, but after everything is settled.
Yeah.
Right? And she started thinking that she has to be there with me. She started thinking something else, maybe. Okay, I might be enjoying in Pune, I'm not getting her to Pune. So something like that. So she came to Pune, stay with me over here. So I said, okay, chalo, let's be with me. So to the gym, my kids were small, so it was very tough for us to manage kids also. My youngest kid was what, 6 months, six, and then I never want her कि बाबा ये प्रेशर भी आप ले लो, पैसे का भी प्रेशर है, लाखों रुपए का प्रेशर है, तो I never wanted that, but she wanted to be a part of it. Then slowly and steadily she started understanding that we are into big debts because there is huge amount of investment which I have raised from the market, और उसको हमें रिपे करने के लिए बहुत सारा काम करना पड़ता है, right? And then she joined us over here. She started coming to the gym. She started understanding things, this and that. तो वो
Yeah.
फेज में I met Dhiraj sir. Right, so that phase was going on कि बाबा चल रहा है हमारा, भागा दौड़ी चल रहा है. And Dheeraj sir saw me, so I met him with some other inquiry also, so we had a good communication. So I don't know how he understood that we are into deep shit. I don't know, right? Then one fine day he called us to your place where you used to stay
Yeah.
5-6 years back.
Yeah.
And then he said कि we are into helping people and you just come down one day. So we went to you, we came to your place, and then it started with you कि बाबा
Yeah.
चलो. And we never knew कि बाबा there is something called as somebody guides you, this and that. We never knew this, no? All right. So then we met you.
Yes.
And
So what did you
I was actually,
feel when he said that this is important?
हाँ जी, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I was, ma'am, actually very
Yeah, you were
surprised
saying something.
that Haji, I was actually very surprised that Dheeraj sir and you people had studied us a lot. So then we sat for
How did
sessions.
Dheeraj sir come?
Then, sorry,
How that you come to know?
ma'am, because see what happened was you used to sit with Ketki
Separately.
separately and with me separately. All right. So
Yes,
basically
go on.
he never, yeah. So basically he never taught me anything as such. कि आप ऐसा करो, आप वैसा करो, ऐसा उन्होंने कभी भी नहीं बोला. What he did was he was very smart to handle me. So he must have understood me very well. So he used to give me suggestions, right? He used to tell me, he used to give me some examples. So first of all he asked me कि बाबा तुमसे communication, आपका communication जो चल रहा है वो कैसा है? तो मेरे को पता ही नहीं था कि कैसा है. So I told him कि बाबा अच्छा है, अभी अच्छा है बुरा है पता नहीं मेरे को, पर वो है अच्छा. Then he said कि how many years you've been married? So I said sir 5-6 years, 5-6 साल हो गए रहेंगे. Then he said अरे 25 साल you are very new, because 25 साल तो बीवी को समझने में बहुत कम है. So actually you start understanding your wife in first 6 years and then you start your life, right? Then I thought कि हाँ मेरे को, I don't know my wife very well, तो चलो start talking to her. So in small ways he guided me in a very nice way, and I don't session he convinced me to talk to Ketki and listen to her, right? जो नहीं हो रहा था. So I don't know what you did with Ketki and then she started speaking to me. तो
Yes, sir. Can you hear us?
Yeah, I can hear you. Ma'am, there is a issue in network. Huh?
Yeah.
आपका बीच में
Yeah. It was.
you get paused in between.
Yeah. So change the
Yeah.
network. I hope this will do better. So, of course, we started taking care of you individually first because it's
Hi.
really important to understand you as an individual. Where are you coming from? What is your belief system? Which culture that you belong to? And where is the communication gap? If we don't understand that, if we start coaching people directly, a person goes into defense. So that's what we were trying to do with both of you. So I was talking to Ketri ma'am, sir was talking to you, and then this small little changes that you started bringing in between the two of you, and you started communicating freely. How did it change your relationship?
Okay. Ma'am, very first thing I remember, see, communication wise, I had a big gap,
Yes.
right? And I never knew how to communicate. That, you don't know only, you've not been brought up like that.
Yeah.
So basically, when he spoke to me and you were there in that session,
Yes.
you asked me about my idol. I give
Yes.
you two examples. I gave you
Yes.
first idol was my father. He's my father,
Yep.
right? Which
Yeah.
till date is there. And
Yeah.
second one was my mentor is Kaiser Tapati. I told you
Yes.
about these two people.
Two people. Yeah.
Then we had some discussion, and finally there was a silent message through you that my not be my idol in today's life, right? Because there were basic differences. My father led a different life in a different zone, right? In a different city, and I was leading a different life in a different time zone, right? Where I have to make sure that I'm making money also, right? With honesty, plus at the same time I need to respect my partner also. Now at that time you didn't tell me that my father never respected my wife, my mother, right? You just made
Yeah.
sure that I need to have communication very clear with Ketki all the time because that is the need of the day. And you didn't teach me that, right? You made
Yeah.
sure that there
Yeah.
were some questionnaire, then I answered, then you told me that this is the answer that you've given, right? And this means this. ये answer का ये
Right.
मतलब है,
Right.
right? So after that session, my idol remained the same. It is my father, right?
Yeah.
But today's version of my father,
Absolutely
right?
right.
Which is making money, which is not feeling bad about making money, right? Which
Right.
is trying to listen to his wife, which is giving
Yes.
respect to her. Not that I never had any respect for Ketki, right? It wasn't not like that. But there has to be a way. There has to be a change in the way I convey my message. So that is
Right.
something which you convinced me very nicely, very nicely, right?
Yes.
Madam?
And when you started conveying to her and express your feelings and ask her what she's feeling, ma'am, how did you feel and how did it change your relationship?
Ma'am, now she has become double. She doesn't express, I have to express.
Yes, ma'am. We are waiting to
Uh,
listen from you.
Ma'am, after few sessions, he started speaking to me with the small topics. So उसकी वजह से I thought कि maybe open up हो गई, and then I got to him very well because of our communication only. And usually whenever he used to speak to me, मैं उनके सिर्फ वर्ड्स लेती थी कि वॉट एवर द मैसेज ही इज स्पीकिंग, मैं वो सिर्फ कैच करती थी. नाउ द थिंग इज बिकॉज ऑफ आवर कम्युनिकेशन एंड क्लियर कम्युनिकेशन आई वुड से, तो उसकी वजह से आई कैन अंडरस्टँड द मेसेज बिहाइंड दॅट पर्टिक्युलर वर्ड्स. सो मॅम,
Absolutely.
तुमच्यामुळे हे कम्युनिकेशन जास्त क्लिअर झालं अँड आय कुड अंडरस्टँड द मीनिंग बिहाइंड दॅट पर्टिक्युलर वर्ड्स. So and now you can see ki our not only verbal communication but the non-verbal communication is also very strong.
Very strong.
So because of that we are we are having a very good married life right now. So there is no question about it, and that's 100% your credit, ma'am.
So, this is something very important that we all need to learn, that it is not only in your professional world, but in your real life, in the closest relation, we have to take care of not only the verbal communication, but all what is going behind the words that are coming. How does a man express love? How does he express his feelings? How do you understand something beyond what he's spoken?
Nice.
Is what I helped her understand. And that is how, when that understanding of the words became different, she started understanding that he's expressing a lot of love and care, and he's wanting her to grow. That is how, not only personally, she also started growing professionally. And a day came when she was really handling the gym all on her own. So a person who belongs to such a secure environment stepped up into the gym, and there came a day when she was actually running it all on her own, and Sir was traveling and doing other consultancy services. So this entire change not only brought a change in their personal life, but it brought a change in her professional life as well, because confidence became her key, because her partner started believing in her. And friends, all the females out there, I'm sure this you will agree to me, that when your husband trusts you, he has conviction in you, he believes in you, your confidence goes from here to here. Automatically, you start believing in yourself. That's exactly what happened with Katie, ma'am. Am I right, sir, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
So it helped them personally, professionally, and over the years, what has changed? Now, how is the equation between the two of you?
Ma'am, now, I mean, one more thing which I would like to add on is, uh, even if you have respect for each other,
Yes,
that must be expressed.
absolutely right.
हाँ, वो भी that also sir only taught me
Absolutely right.
that see, when you have somebody who's like your mom, your wife, your husband, whatever it is, right? You need to make sure that you need to convey this message. Maybe it is verbal, maybe it is non-verbal, written, whatever it is. You need to make sure that that message
Yeah,
is conveyed to them in the best possible way. Otherwise, it is like you
right.
take them for granted. और इसको तो पता ही है मैंने क्या बोलने का है. Now, मैम पर उसका we need to have a session on that because it has become ulta. I have been saying it to my kids, my family, everybody, and she doesn't believe now. She says I am doing all naughty. She doesn't believe. That is the issue. ये ज़्यादा हो गया मेरा. Alright, so that is my complaint now.
So, ma'am, more
Yeah,
appreciation and
ma'am.
acknowledgement from you is required now.
Ma'am,
So, sir,
Ma'am,
this
speaking
is
about our
beautiful,
relation,
beautiful relationship where not only you both are fulfilling your responsibility as husband and wife, as professionals, as parents, as children. What has changed in your relationship in terms of feelings and emotions?
ma'am, I'll just give you an example. I mean, rather than talking about our relation, you'll understand with this example only. Now, last
Yes,
8 to 9 months are horrible to our industry and for the entire world. Right? They are
agreed.
horrible. Right? Financially, everybody is distressed. Now, there are many people who are our gym members. They have their job, which they haven't left their job. They are making money.
Yeah,
Alright, but husband and wife, they are extremely depressed on individual level. We were surprised when we started our gym. We were surprised because according to us, they haven't lost their job,
yes,
alright, but they were depressed because they are sitting at home beside each other. Alright, it was a big surprise. They never want. So now they are coming in different timings. I was absolutely surprised. Then they don't want to sit in front of the camera. कुछ नहीं है हमको ये लैपटॉप के सामने नहीं बैठना है एक दूसरे का फेस नहीं देखना है. So we were actually surprised. And about us, right? Honestly speaking, ये पूरा financially we are in deep problem, right?
yes,
It is the
yes,
fact. Nobody can
yes,
hide it, and every gym
yes,
owner, every businessman is suffering through some or the other. We
absolutely
suffered
right.
more because we did our renovation and we
Yes,
invested a lot before the lockdown, right?
yes, yeah,
But about us, we never had a single time where I felt, now you need to ask her, where I felt that I'm getting bored in her company, right? And we actually used this time in the most constructive way. We started our channel, we started working out, we trained our kids, we enjoyed our team time with each other, right? We actually did it, right? तो किधर भी जाते थे. Now in lockdown also we worked out in our gym. So we used to come in the morning at 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock we used to work out. So everything was happening together, right? And not a single time I thought कि बाबा ये क्या चल रहा है, I'm getting bored and all, right? So that was a huge thing. And today I'm able to speak to my parents whenever I speak about her, right? Whenever there is an example, I give her example to them. Okay, look at her, she is doing fantastic. It is just about being proud of her. Now I don't talk to her that I am giving your example to my family, my immediate relatives and all, right? But actually that is happening without anything coming in my mind कि मैं इसके बारे में बोलूंगा तो सामने वाले को क्या लगेगा कि ये अपनी बीवी के बारे में इतना बड़ा चढ़ा के बोले. It is not coming to my mind. राइट. सो इट इज एन ऑर्गेनिक थिंग. जो भी डिसीजन लेते हैं वो साथ में लेते हैं. अभी वो डिसीजन बहुत बार गलत होते हैं, नो इश्यूज एट ऑल, राइट, बट वी फेस इट टुगेदर. सो दैट इज द बेस्ट पार्ट. सो इट इज नॉट नाउ धवल धवल अकेला नहीं है, केतकी अकेली नहीं है, राइट. वी आर स्ट्रॉन्ग एज अ टीम, वेरी वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग, extremely
Wow,
strong.
wow,
Right?
that's awesome. Awesome.
Yeah.
Ma'am, something from you about this relationship.
Man, I was surprised with the other part which I told you, na.
Yes, ma'am. Your definition, how is it going now?
Yeah. Ma'am, I was surprised with that other part I told you, na. कि we keep on talking about the same thing. कि husband and wife do not want to see their faces. और अपने साथ उल्टा हो रहा है तो we have to do some taste कि बाबा क्या चल रहा है अपने साथ. It's good for us. Right? Yeah.
Very, very nice. Ma'am, what about you? Sir has
Ma'am,
told
there
us
is
what
not
about you?
much difference in the experience part because it's the same feeling. So there is not much difference. But yes, even I feel the same thing ki I cannot think about him ki I'll go out and have some ice cream also. I'll think ki I'll share or I'll come I'll go with him. Not going out also. So nothing special or different feeling. It's the same feeling. Even I'm feeling right now feeling.
Right. So what is this feeling called, ma'am? What is this feeling that you're experiencing?
That feeling is called. What is that feeling? Now, if I say something, she'll say I'm doing all Notanki.
Nautanki. He's Nautanki number one.
See, this is what happens, ma'am.
Ma'am, come on, you have to now share.
What is
that
this feeling called? Chal.
This
What is
feeling-
this feeling called? Chal.
This feeling called, I would say, ki it's a love.
called?
It's a pure love. You can say it's a pure friendship, or
It's
yeah.
man. It's a combination of respect and love.
Huh.
Wow.
It's a combination of respect and love. Yeah,
Wow.
because I have seen people getting in love with each other and all. Right? I've seen many times now. It's been experienced. They fall in love and all, but there is no respect. So they keep on shuffling. आज बहुत प्यार है, आज घूम रहे
Yeah.
फिर रहे, कल एक दूसरे को मारकाट करेंगे फिर से. But it has to be respect with love. It has to be mutual respect. It can't be one side.
Yes, absolutely correct. Absolutely true. So, ma'am.
And that has grown with time.
Yes. Are you really happy today in this relationship?
Sorry.
Are you really happy in this relationship, ma'am?
Absolutely. Absolutely. Yes.
Ma'am, she is not happy. You know her dreams,
Can you hear
no?
me?
You.
I'm talking about the relationship.
Okay.
Sir,
Are you?
ma'am, she's not happy. You know her dreams, no? She wants a bungalow and all. She wants a bungalow in Sin Society and all.
That's about
So she's not
ambition.
happy.
She's of course happy. It's all seen over her face. So, dear friends, after 6 years of marriage, they rediscovered each other and they truly fell in love. And when you fall in love with each other, then there's respect in the relationship. That even the toughest of times seem wonderful. They just fly away because
True.
there's a sense of security, support system, understanding, and you can sail through anything on this earth if husband-wife relationship is about respect and love, and they love to be with each other, and they want to fight situations together. That's really awesome, sir and ma'am. Thank you very much for coming here today and sharing this amazing story. It's not easy to share because she really comes from a beautiful family background. Is coming here and sharing all this. It really needs a lot of courage to do all that. Thank you very much, sir, for being so open and so honest. And ma'am, you'll have to learn to express more now. Now it's your turn to start doing that. The ball is rolling in a different direction. So it's really, guys, please shower a lot of love and beautiful emojis for this amazing couple who's struggling in life, but they're together and they're fighting it through. And let's really send all prayers, blessings, wishes that they sail through this tough time and emerge victorious in 2021. All the very best.
Thanks a lot, man.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Pleasure being here. Pleasure being here. Pleasure being here.
Sir, ma'am, any last words for people who are. Sir, anything else you would like to say to men out here?
I mean, we are still in the process to learn. Ma'am, only thing I would like to say is we are still in, right?
Yes, sir. We couldn't
We
hear
are
you.
just trying to understand each other, and yeah, and only thing what I feel is if you respect and love your partner, then just try and understand them. You cannot see, I cannot, which I used to take before, right? I used to think के एक चीज हो गया तो ये ऐसी लड़की है, right? So just need to be calm and we need to be able to understand सामने वाला बंदा उसने एक ये चीज try and expect the same thing from her also and I am trying to think. So ऐसा नहीं है कि we don't argue, ऐसा नहीं है कि बाबा हमारा पूरा पिक्चर परफेक्ट है, कुछ नहीं है. But then again the difference is respect है, right? And there is a huge amount of, so we
Someone who can guide you, take you in the right direction, and everything falls in place. Like it happened for Dhaval sir and Ketki ma'am. Such a lovely couple. They had so much to say. I'm sorry we couldn't convey that to you because of the network issue, as it's been really tough today. But dear friends, that is what I wanted to convey today, that let's really send a lot of love to them. Let's really pray for them that they can live an amazing life, fight the financial situation, and do well in their life. Right? So thank you guys for being here together. Let's really learn from this couple, take that to the heart and change your own relationship. Please spread this message to all the couples that you know on how can you change your relationship at any stage of life. That's what it from me tonight. Thank you very much, guys. See you on next Tuesday with a newer story and